Hi Hardy, you can see a very nice frame here. It's a handmade wooden frame, so solid wood. For the acrylic painting, I'm going to use the blue color and the black color to define the mountains and the water bodies under it. Okay, so for the drawing of the mountains, just we're putting a tall color on the tops, putting the colors. Okay, and the outlines the mountains from the top. As you know, the mountain has a very nice contour, ups and downs, lots of ups and downs, and it's very irregular shape. So that's why the coloring and the other color textures is going to be like not regular. So very irregular shape we're going to putting, and here the mountain meets the water. All right. So the outline is done. Now you can add a little bit water on the top and make it a nice working sketch for the mountains from the top. Coming up downwards. Okay, starting from the top, just coming up downwards. All right, so adding the water, just fill up the whole frames. As you know, the texture of the wooden plate is not the plain texture, it's like little bit rough texture, so there are some ups and downs. As you can see here, we are putting the shades of the mountains on the left flank or on the left side, and on the right side we are putting the lots of bright colors. Okay, so some mountains you can see are partially visible, the color strokes are not that much prominent, so that has a very partial outlook. Okay, that's why some looks very bright and some looks very lighter strokes. So the mountains which are behind the main mountain, those are, you can see, like a little bit blurred outlines. Okay, so lots of mountains you can see from the painting. And the one we're going to put here, just adding the water a little bit, also adding water in this place, just you can see, just skipping the void. Okay. Now we are taking the blue color at the bottom to define the water. Also adding the water everywhere. You can see there are lots of water. Usually lots of strokes at the bottom. So filling up the water in the bottom here and some other places. Okay, so there's the idea of the brush strokes. Now you know lots of waters here, so we're just using a all right, a cloth, just you're soaking up some color and water and making it a dry little bit, because I'm going to put a board on it, so I'm just minimizing the levels of the water. Okay, all right, so let's take the blue color and put a board here, just a single stroke. You can see the board and the reflections on the water, making the corners pointy and these corners pointy. A boatman, and the reflections. So the whole drawing, it's very nice, very simple, just done in front of you, and not so tough. You can see the ups and downs, mountains, the boat, the whole scenery. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Have a good day.